On the morning of June 30, 1908, the stillness of the Siberian wilderness was shattered by an event so powerful, so mysterious, that it continues to baffle scientists and historians to this day. This was the Tunguska Event, a colossal explosion that flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, equivalent to the size of a major metropolitan city. Yet, despite its magnitude, no impact crater was ever found. What could have caused such devastation? Join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey into one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the modern era. To set the stage, we must journey back to the early 20th century. Siberia, vast and untamed, was home to sprawling forests, remote rivers, and sparse settlements. On that fateful summer morning, a blinding flash lit up the sky, brighter than the sun itself. Moments later, a deafening explosion erupted, creating a shockwave that knocked people off their feet hundreds of miles away. Windows shattered, and buildings shook violently in villages as distant as Irkutsk. The blast, heard up to 1,500 kilometers away, was followed by strange atmospheric phenomena. For days, skies across Europe and Asia glowed with eerie silvery lights, bright enough to read a newspaper at midnight. What caused this apocalyptic event? The most widely accepted explanation is that a meteoroid, likely composed of rock or ice, entered Earth's atmosphere at an incredible speed. As it descended, the object heated up due to atmospheric friction, eventually disintegrating in a massive airburst about 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground. This explanation accounts for the lack of a crater. The explosion occurred mid-air, releasing energy equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. To put that in perspective, that's 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. However, this theory leaves lingering questions. For instance, why have no large fragments of the meteoroid been found in the area? And what about the eyewitness accounts describing a fiery object moving across the sky before the explosion? These gaps in evidence have fueled numerous alternative theories, ranging from the plausible to the fantastical. One compelling hypothesis suggests that the object was not a typical meteoroid but rather a fragment of a comet. Unlike rocky meteoroids, comets are composed primarily of ice and dust, which would have vaporized completely upon entering the atmosphere. This would explain the absence of debris and the unusual glowing skies observed in the aftermath, a result of high-altitude ice particles scattering sunlight. But not everyone agrees. Some researchers have proposed that the Tunguska event was caused by a natural geological phenomenon. Could a massive release of natural gas from beneath the Earth's crust have ignited, creating a catastrophic explosion? While intriguing, this theory struggles to explain the observed fireball and shockwave. Then there are the more unconventional ideas. Some have speculated that the Tunguska event was the result of an alien spacecraft crash landing in the Siberian wilderness. According to this theory, the explosion was either the craft's impact or a deliberate self-destruction to avoid contamination. Others have linked the event to advanced technologies, such as Nikola Tesla's experiments with wireless energy transmission. Could Tesla's Wardenclyffe Tower have inadvertently triggered the Siberian blast? While these theories captivate the imagination, they lack substantial evidence. The first major scientific investigation into the Tunguska event occurred nearly 2 decades later, in 1927, when Soviet scientist Leonid Kulik led an expedition to the site. What he found was both astonishing and perplexing. Trees in the blast zone were flattened in a radial pattern, their roots pointing outward from the explosion's epicenter. Yet, curiously, some trees directly beneath the supposed airburst remained standing, stripped bare of branches and bark. This peculiar pattern suggested a powerful explosion above the ground, consistent with the airburst theory. Kulik's team also noted the absence of a crater, further complicating the mystery. Subsequent expeditions uncovered tiny spheres of silicate and magnetite embedded in the soil, hinting at extraterrestrial material. However, these findings were not definitive and left room for further debate. In the decades that followed, the Tunguska event continued to inspire scientific inquiry and popular fascination. Advances in technology have allowed researchers to revisit the event with fresh tools, including satellite imagery, computer simulations, and isotopic analysis. These studies have provided valuable insights into the explosion's mechanics but have not fully resolved the mystery. Beyond its scientific implications, the Tunguska event has had a profound cultural impact. It has been the subject of countless books, documentaries, and even works of fiction. From science fiction stories to conspiracy theories, the event has captured the imagination of people worldwide. It also serves as a stark reminder of Earth's vulnerability to cosmic hazards. The Tunguska event, though devastating, was relatively small compared to what could happen if a larger asteroid or comet were to collide with our planet. This has spurred international efforts to monitor near-Earth objects and develop strategies to prevent potential impacts. In 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion over Russia provided a chilling reminder of Tunguska's destructive potential. The Chelyabinsk meteor, which injured over 1,000 people, was only about 20 meters in diameter, significantly smaller than the object believed to have caused the Tunguska event. The incident underscored the importance of planetary defense initiatives, such as NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office and the European Space Agency's Space Safety Program. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Tunguska, we must ask ourselves, what lessons can we learn from this extraordinary event? How can we better understand and prepare for the threats posed by our cosmic environment? And, perhaps most intriguingly, could there be more to the Tunguska event than meets the eye? One thing is certain, the Tunguska event continues to challenge our understanding of the natural world. It stands as a testament to the power and unpredictability of our universe, reminding us of both its beauty and its potential for destruction. What do you think caused the Tunguska event? Was it a meteoroid, a comet, or something even more mysterious? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of history's greatest enigmas, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories and explorations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring the unknown.